Welcome to Selika Mag. In today's video I'm going to unbox my this Singer Serger overlocker, and it also has a cover stitch. And I'm just going to open my this box, and actually I got this as a gift, so I will also share that how I got this gift and all these things, and what are the features, and what accessories are included in this. And in upcoming tutorials we are going to learn a lot of things with the serger or overlocker as well. This is a very good machine, especially for the knit fabric, stretchy fabric. So all these type of fabrics, if you are seriously thinking to stitch, so it's really a good tool. So I just opened my box, and here it is, that packing and all these things. And now I'm going to show you the things, that accessories that are included. This is a basic just cover, and this is the pedal to operate this machine. And also there are some more accessory inside the box, like see this, I have this one adapter, I think the transformer, because the voltage is different. This machine actually shipped from the USA, so that's why here in UAE this is a different system of electricity, that's why. So this tray is just for this extra cutting, and all these trays are just the attachment of for different purpose. And this is the manual. I actually use this machine in my some of previous tutorial, and then I packed it again because we shifted to a new house, so I'm just reopening it actually now. So I thought to share with you guys. This is an antenna to feed your thread, and this is the accessory box. And I will open this box as well, so you guys can see. And you can see this is not very heavy, as the box was very big, but now you can see here a lot of option here. And guys, you know that there is in the ready-made garments, and especially t-shirt, if you notice the stitching or the design is a little different. So that is something that they do with the serger or overlocker, obviously with a professional level of machines. But I'm just sharing this information because for some students they may be not aware that what is a serger or overlocker machine. And also it gives you the cover stitch as well. So here is some dust because of shifting and all this process. And you can see this area, you can open it, and here you have to thread the down thread. And usually it consider that the threading of this overlocker is a very difficult thing. And actually I see, I just opened this box. You can see a screwdriver, and here is some caps for the spool. I will show you how you can fix on your spools, because there is a special type of spool for thread spools. And this is a tweezer to insert all this thread. It actually took me 2 days to figure out the threading part, but inshallah I will make a video tutorial to simplify all these things. But I need comments in the comment section that you really want to learn. See, the needles are also with different colors. And this is a cleaning brush, and this nets to cover your spool if you are working with the silk thread. And this is an extra cutter, because in when you serger use the serger, it cut your edges. And these are different foods available. And actually it has 6 different foods, and the oil is also included. And you can see I honestly speaking have to figure out all these food as well. So I will also make tutorials when I will figure out all these things, how this works. but simple serging I already do with this machine. If you check in my playlist, there is a tutorial where I stitch a girl dress. So in that tutorial I use serger for this. Okay, so guys, this is the manual, and if you really take some time to read your manual properly, you know, for 2 days, every night I start reading my all this manual again and again, and finally I figure out, because this particular model, there is very less videos are available. So just very few videos are available, and see, but if you read your manual, and especially they give you a cheat sheet as well, so if you read all these things, so things will be easy for you to figure out easily. So in upcoming tutorials, I will also show explain you how you can read this. So see, there are some extra foods available, like for a sequence and elastic and cording and taping, bias binding and shearing also. So there are 6 extra fits are available with this special model, and you can use for your different projects, basically to make your edging and finishing more professional way. So, and also it has cover stitch, and see this, these are the spools that is different than your regular machines. They are bigger in size, but they are less stronger than your regular thread, because here we use like 3 or 4 threads at a time, so we don't need very strong thread here. So this is, you can see the difference, the regular one and this one. And I actually got a different color like white and black, and also the red one. Usually this has like 5 spools, but usually we need to use the 4 spools only. So even if you have 4 spools per color, so it's okay. And that we will learn how you can do, and this is how you can thread and all these things. And guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up, so I can make more videos like this. And also I will show one day my collection of fabric. See, this is very stretchy fabric, so this type of fabric is actually ideal for this machine. Now it's time to tell you how I got this gift. Actually, one of my student gave me this gift. Actually, she gave me some money to buy this, and I also add some to this amount, and this is a gift from my student and from myself to me. So hope you like this video. Please thumbs up and take care. Bye bye.